vital supplies of food and medicine loaded, we take off in a Sri Lankan Air Force helicopter from Ratmalana Air Base in the early morning. Below us, vast areas of the countryside remain underwater. People are using boats to navigate the roads that a few days ago they walked and drove along. These are the worst floods to hit Sri Lanka in almost 15 years. Around 500,000 people have been affected, more than 150 killed and many more still missing.
It is in very bad condition. The whole of area is covered with flood and lot of people affected in this area and other areas. No supplies, no medication, no food.
This time we need dry food, not prepared food. If we receive some dry food and medical supplies, it is much better.
After dropping off supplies, we take off again. Many people were swept away when the sides of mountains collapsed on their homes.
Although the floods have subsided in this area in the last day or so, you can still see some of the landslides. You can see how the roads have been cut off. That means that the villages in this area are cut off. So the elderly, the sick and the infirm are relying on military helicopters like this one in order to
In the last 2 days alone, the Air Force has flown more than 200 sorties into areas like this. The ambulance carrying this elderly man and woman can drive no further because a landslide has blocked the road. Terrified but relieved to be rescued, they are helped into the helicopter. It's a 15-minute flight over the mountains to the nearest town with a hospital. More than 2,000 Sri Lankan military personnel have been deployed. When we arrive back at the base, more helicopters are being loaded.
The Army and the Navy are working hard, they are fully committed to this task, so they are getting to places. We are assisting them to access areas that are not accessible readily, but the work is going on. It's going to take some time.
More rain is expected. Airdrops and rescue missions continue, the only way to help people stranded and afraid.